Mom. Mommy.
What are you eating?
Huh?
Cereals? You like it? You like that?
Mama.
What color?
Mama.
Yellow. Good job. Tastes good?
One big.
My baby girl, I love you.
Orange.
Orange. I love you so much. Uh-oh. What color is that?
Red.
Red or pink? I think it's pink.
Green.
Good job. That's green.
Orange.
What's that?
Red.
Orange. Crazy.
Why teaching
Hmm?
not that?
Yeah, that's right. That's color pink. Yummy. You can use your spoon. You got a spoon. Use your spoon. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Uh-oh, you dropped some milk. Yum. Drink the milk. Good job. You're a big girl. Woohoo! And then after you will put it in the kitchen, okay? You're such a good girl. Oh shoot, you dropped some milk. Uh-oh. That's fine. Say thank you, Mommy. Wanna say thank you? Oh, get up. Put your plate in the kitchen. And the spoon too. Put in the kitchen, please. Good girl.
How great.
What?
What great?
I love you. Okay, put it in the kitchen.
Water.
Yeah, put the water on the table. And then put your plate, the dirty plate, in the kitchen. Thank you, Mommy. Put the Hey! Pick up your bowl and put it in the kitchen.
Bowl.
It's right here, bowl. Put it in the kitchen, please.
Bowl.
And the spoon, be careful. Thank you, Mommy.
Water.
Put the water on the table. In the kitchen. Thank you, Mommy. Such a good girl. Put it in the kitchen. Thank you.
Water.
Yeah, bring your water. Is it good? Is it good?
Come.
Yeah.
Come.
Mm-hmm.